I've got good exposure and got a salary hike of almost like 11% this current year. Why I chose Intellipaat? Reason being is because they are good in the industry and they are having a lot of good trainers who can train us on all the aspects with the latest trends, what is happening in the market. Okay, and trainers are very good in the Intellipaat. I've got good exposure and got a salary hike of almost like 11% this current year. Whenever I used to reach out to support team, I I was very happy with this support I used to get from them. Immediately they used to respond and give prompt response, which I was very happy with the service. I've gained a lot of knowledge where they are having or have good, strong fundamental and introducing industry relevant tools, helping us to understand end-to-end security, making it easy for us to pursue even future certifications. I will recommend Intellipaat to whoever wants to take up cybersecurity or any other aspects related to cybersecurity. I recommend Intellipaat to go with that, where they can gain a lot of knowledge from the trainers and support what we get from Intellipaat.